4 apple pieces that are equally sized. I'm going to dip them into the 4 solutions, and then we wait. The winner of this reducing oxidation is... Hey guys, and welcome to Easy Go. Today I have an experiment to show you guys. When you cut an apple, bring it to school for snack time, and you open the bowl, it is brown. How does that happen, and how do you reduce that from happening? That's what this video is all about. Now, let me quickly grab the ingredients. Whoosh! I'm squeezing some lemons. Here I am pouring some olive oil. So here I am putting some sea salt into another bowl. Now I'm adding water in the same bowl. And here I'm adding plain old drinking water. I have 4 apple pieces that are equally sized. I'm going to dip them into the 4 solutions, and then we wait. I have dipped this apple piece in lemon juice, this apple piece in olive oil, this apple piece in salt water, and this apple piece in plain old drinking water. So when you cut an apple, the insides of the apple is exposed to oxygen. The oxygen attacks like the enzymes of the apple, which causes an oxidation reaction. Now let's see how these ingredients will help prevent it. It's been around 1 hour, and the drinking water apple piece has turned brown so much that it does not prevent oxidation. Salt water is preventing oxidation a little. Olive oil is better than drinking water, but it does not prevent oxidation much. But the highest one of all is the lemon juice, because it's barely brown. We'll wait for some more time and we'll see who's the winner. So as you see, the drinking water apple piece has turned very brown. As you can see, the saltwater apple piece has started turning brown just now, while the olive oil piece is very oily and is also very brown, but not as brown as the drinking water. In lemon juice, it's perfect. Only 1/4 of the piece is brown. Look at the apples, guys. It's been 4 hours and 5 minutes. But look at lemon juice, the apple. It's perfect. But the olive oil apple, not so much. Very oily. Next is the saltwater apple. Not as brown as drinking water and olive oil, but look at drinking water. It's so brown. I'll taste each and every apple starting from drinking water. It tastes okay, but not much appetizing to look at. Now let's say salt water. It's not that much salty and it tastes okay. Now to taste olive oil. It is oily. It tastes okay, just like drinking raw salt water. But it doesn't look that much appetizing to eat since it's brown. Here is the lemon juice sample. It's been 4 hours and 5 minutes, but this is like looking perfect. Now let's see how it tastes. Kind of crunchy and sour. So the taste of salt water and olive oil was okay, but if you like this flavor of lemon juice, you can add that too. The winner of this reducing oxidation is lemon juice. Coming up in runner-up is salt water. Bronze goes to olive oil, and poor old drinking water in last place. This is me, Wilson, signing off.